First, before we look at the car, I want to give you a little background why we're here and why this car was developed. The car is the 25th anniversary of Manthey Racing. That's what the 25 is on the ice sculpture. The car is just phenomenal. As everybody knows, the GT2RS Clubsport is a track monster. This now is at a whole new level. They've taken everything that they've learned from the Clubsport and everything Manthey Racing has developed and learned, and they have put it into this car. And so with that said, we'd like to reveal what Manthey Racing has developed for the GT2 RS Clubsport. And the President Volker said, hey, if I give you this car, will you show up at the Sports Car Together Fest? And I said, I will drive this car if you give me that opportunity. And so he did. And that's how it happened.